All right, here we go. Hopping on the E, the Jetson Atlas. Gonna take this bad boy for a spin real quick. Bye, my love. Oh, this Jetson Atlas here. It's a pedal assist electric bike. What's up, cuz? Huh?
This is about where your handlebars were last time when they were loose.
Oh, they were looser than that.
Looser?
Yeah, they were a lot looser. No, it's straight though. It's pretty straight. It won't come apart. It's pretty solid. Let's get this thing up in a wheelie. Oh yeah, that feels good. That feels good. Yep, I'm going. Oh. All right, let's turn on the power. Y'all like the bell? Huh? It doesn't work. Whatever. We rolling through downtown a lot in here. All right, let's follow him. See where he's going. Oh, hopping up sidewalk. Woo! And hopping down. Yep. Easy peasy. It's really the best way to get around town. This Jetson Atlas goes about 15 miles an hour. Has a 15-mile range. Front and rear disc brakes. Man, solid heavy frame. Where are we going anyway? Doesn't matter. Where we're going, we don't need roads. Skirt. Watch. Sorry, make you wait long time. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh. Woohoo! Where are we going? Through here? Word. I'm gonna throw in a little jump on this one, all right? All right, how about I go this way? Oh shit. Beep! Rolling in my 5.0. We at the mall, y'all. Or whatever it is. Oh, Willie! Oh, it is so dead and empty out here. Okay, all right. Let's go, A-Blaze. Watch, I'm gonna catch him. Got him. Oh, got him. Oh, he went off track. We some drifters around here though. Huh? Sucker. What y'all think? The front should stay off the ground, huh? Woo! Y'all like that? Jumping it. Woo! Oh, is this thing on? All right, what are we doing here, guys? What are we doing here? Huh? Why am I sideways on the bike? Oh, what a view. Let's go.
On the way.